Good day po, Sir Manaloto. We are here to present our activity titled Simple Object-Oriented Programming Involving Polymorphism and Inheritance in Java. This will be presented by Abrenica J. Flores D., Avenido Jr. Jomer A. Blas J. Bryan R. Brief overview. Purpose. This program demonstrates polymorphism in Java through method overloading and overriding. So yung gagawin po namin code ay may kinalaman sa dalawang method ng polymorphism. Yan po yung overloading and overriding. Problems it solves. It illustrates how different methods can be invoked based on the number and type of arguments, enhancing code flexibility and readability. Bali yung gagawin po namin mga method sa aming program ay may mga magkakapalas na method name, but different tasks based on the different parameters given. Classes and methods explanation. Kami po ay gumawa ng tatlong class, namely Abrenica main, Avenido class, Blast class. Ang aming main method ay ang Abrenica main. Avenido class naman po ay ang parent class at ang child class ay ang Blast class. Code snippets are yung mga block of codes ay papaliwanag mamaya ng aking dalawang kagrupo na si Jake at saka si Jomer. Object creation and method invocation. Kami po ay gumamit ng dalawang object, yun po yung Jay at Brian, na makikita po natin sa Benito class at saka sa Blast class. Method invocation example. So ito nga po yung mga method po namin ginamit na mamaya ay i-explain ng aking dalawang grupo. Summary of key learning points. Polymorphism allows methods to be defined the same name but different parameters. Overloading or to be defined in subclasses. Overriding enhances code flexibility and maintainability by allowing different behaviors based on context, demonstrated through practical example in Java showcasing how objects interact with overloaded and overridden methods. So, yun nga po yung aming ginawang program ay magpapakita ng polymorphism yung dalawang method na overloading and overriding. Yung overloading nagagamit ng iba't ibang parameters pero ma-accept po siya ng iba't ibang method na may same name. At ma-redefine po yung subclasses at yun nga po yung overriding na makakatulong po at essential para maging flexible po yung ating code at mas readable and easier to manage. Yun lang po, sir. Thank you.
Good day po, sir. And now I will be discussing in our simple OOP Java program that involves polymorphism and inheritance. And dito po sa aming ginawang program, nag-create po kami ng tatlong classes. At bago po tayo magsimula ang inheritance, which is a concept of OOP na mamana po niya lahat ng attributes and behaviors of another class. And ang polymorphism naman po is the ability to use or it has the same interfaces but with different data types. And dito po pumapasok ang ating method overloading and the method overriding. And let's start na po dito. This is the Abrenica main. And I will be discussing the polymorphism po method overriding. And dito po sa Abrenica main, which is the main method po ng ating program, this will be the entry point. And dito under po nito is we created po the instances of the Venido class, ito po, and the Blast class. And sa under po nito is nag-demonstrate din po kami ng method calling o method calls dito po sa display info. Yan po, data display info. Ayan na may mga laman po na parameters. And dito rin po sa Brian.display info. And para po ito sa polymorphism na mag-involve nga po ang method overloading at method overriding. At bago naman po tayo magsimula sa sunod, at nandito po ang aking kagroup na si Jomer upang i-discuss sa inyo ang method overloading.
So, hi guys, I'm here to present the Abinido class right under the package Polyinherit. So, in this class, makikita nyo yung polymorphism. So, itong class na ito ay mayroong tatlong method. At kung mapapansin nyo, yung method na ito ay pare-pareho ng method name. Ngunit iba't iba sila ng parameter. Itong una ay kumukuha lamang ng isang parameter at ito naman pangalawa ay dalawang parameter na nagpapakita ng method overloading. Ito naman pangatlo ay nagpiprint lamang ng good morning. At itong method na ito ang magiging base naman para sa ating method overriding na i-discuss naman mamaya ni Jake.
After po ni Jomer ma-discuss po yung laman po nitong Abinido class, we will be heading on to the last class which is the Blast class po. And ito na po. Yan, Blast class. At dito po pumasok yung ating paggamit ng ating inheritance which is yung subclass po is itong Blast class at yung naging parent class niya is the Abinido class. Ito po ang naging keyword niya, the extends keyword. And under po nito is, dito po nagkaroon ng method overriding, which is the public void display info. At nagpiprint po ito ng good day, Sir Manaloto. At ito pong override po nito is galing po sa kanyang parent class, which is, buksan po natin, dito po, which is the public void display info na nagpiprint po ng good morning, na yung good morning po is naging good day, Sir Manaloto po. At lastly po is try po natin siyang i-run ang aming program. At ito po, sir, ang aming naging output na nag-involve po ng method overloading and the method overriding po. Yan, displaying number 5 with message, "Hi sir, hindi po ito galing sa GPT." At yung pumasok po ang method overriding which is the good day, Sir Manaloto. At yun lamang po, sir. At maraming salamat po. Thank you.